Good afternoon, students. Let's see new chapter, Introduction to Logo. Chapter number 5, Programming Concepts. Chapter pages 43 to 55. Let's learn today 43 and 44 page numbers. Our topic is Information Technology, Standard 6th. So let's see, student, page number 43, Introduction to Logo. Students, see this chapter number 5, Introduction to Logo. Computers were invented to solve problems more accurately and much faster. More accurately and much faster than we humans can do. What type of problems can a computer solve? Those which you can solve with paper and pencil. Okay, like mathematical calculations. Computer will do them more accurately and much faster. Like that, see the student, see this is calculator. Okay, so you can type, see this number, if you want to multiply 36 is equal to, answer appears on screen within seconds. Okay, so like that, computer accurately and much faster. But a computer must be instructed on how to arrive at solution of these problems. Just as your teacher teach you each method step by step. Now, an algorithm is a price method composed of a finite of set of steps that a computer can use to solve problem. Its steps of an algorithm specified precisely and simple action be performed. For instance, you have learnt the solve of synthesis in mathematics this year. It was synthesis algorithm for finding all prime numbers less than 100. You also learned 3 algorithms to find the greatest common divisor. Computer does not have your intelligence, means human intelligence. So the set of instruction it need must to be precise and to the last detail. For instance, it will not display the result of the calculation from its memory unless you instruct it to do so. Students, let's see one of the example of how to solve problems. See this. See this is a result of student. See this, I have selected standard, any standard, 7th standard, and number of student, see this first number. See this change here of student result. Okay, so that is instruction how to give to computer. See this 7th standard, you have to fill this sheet and combine it in this area and format it with the formulas also. See this biggest formula in this means biggest instructions how to calculate the calculations. Okay, so like that see this finding prime numbers less than 100, and you also learned 3 algorithms to find the greatest common divisor. Computer does not have intelligence. Your intelligence means our intelligence. So the set of instructions need must, price and the last detail for intents. It will not display the result of calculations. So see this calculations how appear results in this area with the name of students when you select standard and student roll number. So see this computer see this there is so big formulas for each and every place have formula to calculate numbers. If student greater than is equal to 7, so he or she will be pass, otherwise she will be fail. Okay, this is 7 standard students information appears in this area. See this. Okay, so how to happen at that I have changed. See this area. Okay, see this I have select 8 standard and then I have select one number of students. See this. So how to calculate it, how to appear in this area. See this, there is also change of number and also students name and she is pass. Okay, so like that computer works within second. This is instructions one by one and step by step. Okay, so the complete set of instructions to solve the problems in a computer language. Okay, in the finite number of steps is called a program. Okay, this is also a program. Okay, to solve a problem. A machine language only language that hardware recognize directly, but machine language instruct puzzling sequence zeros and 1. It's called binary coding. The makes writing and reading a machine language program very difficult, not possible. Programmers did this in the early days of computer, starting days of computer invention. Okay, so high level languages were developed to overcome the difficulties of programming in machine languages. High level language consists of keywords, a small set of English words. Which languages word? English words, each of which has a special meaning in a given language. Special meaning in the in a given language. Next one, syntax, a set of rules that defined allowed sequence of keywords, symbols, punctuations, etc. in a language. So let's see the how to let's see what is keywords. Students, see this. This is keyword. Phi lookup. Okay. Phi means vertical, lookup means find. This is keywords. And rules. Rules. See this. Rules. See this. If error. If error. If error means what? If there is any error, I want to blank. I want to it blank. If there is no any number selected, error screen is appear. So I don't want errors. So I want to empty space. Okay. So so I have, see this, double inverted quota, blank space. Okay. So like that rules, if error, lookup, this is formulas, specific instructions. See this, columns, this is, what is this, what is this, and what is this? Say that keywords. And syntax means set of rules. This is a rule of how to use these keywords. Okay, with the help of these rules. See this. Okay. Next, high level language is therefore easier to learn and use because the instructions is made up of English words. Which language word? English words. Basic mathematical symbols and English like structure. The programmer also finds it's easier to read and modify whatever necessary. Once a program is written in a high level language, another small program called compiles then used to translate into machine language. See this, compile. You can say it also convert. Okay. Compile then used to translate into machine language for computer understand. Computer understand only zeros and one. Zeros and 1. It can't understand Marathi, Hindi, English or other languages. Okay. It can understand only zeros and 1 binary coding. Okay. Some of the high level language are Fortran was the first high level language for engineering and scientific applications. Fortran was the first high level language for engineering and scientific applications. APL for scientific work. Basic primarily for students. Pascal for primarily for teaching programming. And then C for writing modern softwares like the Windows operating system. Windows operating system, see this, we are using Windows operating system also writing in C++. Okay. So next, logo developed by Samnor Preport primarily for young students like 5th 6th standard students. Okay students, and this is logo compile program learning for us. I'll see you next video with logo. Okay, you better understand instructions and introduction about what is programming. Okay, I'll see you next video. Bye.